Do not run. Be careful. Be careful. Slow, slow. Gusto lang talaga makapag-Jollibee yung apo ko mga idol. Apo ko. Be careful. Tuwan-tuwa siya. Tuwan-tuwa siya mag-Jollibee. Oh no! Do not try this. Don't touch. Don't touch. No, don't touch. Ikaw talaga. Okay, thank you very much for watching mga lods. Pinasilip ko lang kung gaano kalikot yung apo ko.